So I really wanted to mow this lawn here, the grass, right? So it's a nice garden, it's a nice place, but sometimes with like priorities, then they conflict, and then we can't do everything ourselves, right? Then we need to outsource it. But if it's the last moment, then we can't outsource it, and I don't mind mowing the lawn. Anyways, we had a house. So today's Saturday. On Monday at noon, I got an email that there was a ban. So the house was like, Dad, you're not allowed to stay inside the house or live in the house. But then 12 o'clock, then you could live inside the house again. So I was like, cool, let's make the house ready so it can be rented out again. And then my wife, she put it online, and then we got a booking on Saturday. And that was like Thursday. I figured that out. And then I had like 2 days to put in furniture again into the house. So anyways, we got the first week's booking now. So for the first week is around 1,000 euro, a little bit more, 8,000 Danish crowns. So that's okay. So that means like if it continues for the month, then the revenue for the month would be a little bit more than 4,000 euros. So I guess that's okay. But it's revenue, it's not like cash. So we just need to be aware of that. Yeah, and then I had a goal. So the goal was that we were missing 4,000 euros in revenue last week, and like there's two weeks left now of the month, and then that means like with the 1,000 from that, and then we found another house that we rented out. That's another 1,000, and we're actually getting quite close to our revenue goal for the month. Anyways, I'll go to the house and just show it before I prepare the last stuff, and then I'll rush and run and do the last things. Okay, so we are almost there, almost finished. So just a quick walkthrough before I start to clean up and make it ready, so the guest can arrive in a few hours. So this is how it looks, and then if I have the time, I'll make a video with when it's done. Finished. It's 8:04 p.m. or 20:04 p.m. So the guests let me know that they would arrive at 10 p.m. So that gave me a little bit extra time for cleaning, and I put up a lamp and some other stuff. But let's look at how the house looks now when it's going to be rented out. So we have the toilet here. It's a toilet, and we have the rain shower up here. Then we have the living room here. So I tried to mount the displates, but it's too dry in the house, so they keep falling down, which is kind of sad because then they break. So I'm not sure what I want to do with that. Anyways, butterfly effect. Yeah, so we have the main room here with the Samsung frame TV and the new soundbar and the new floor I put down last year, just before it was condemnated. And there's a display here. I like this one with the cat. So I hope it doesn't fall down again. This one came down a little bit. So I think I'll just take them down. Then see if I can put them up tomorrow. I have the table here. And then I have a like small bedroom for the kids. So my wife said, why would you put them in opposite directions? It's so like when you have the kids, then they can see and talk to each other. So they might like that. And then I put up a lamp up here. So this is a new lamp. Yeah. Just checking the temperature and the thermostats for the heater because they were going crazy. So I had to adjust them. Oh, and there's a Donald Duck there. I have the games, but I forgot to bring them. So I'll bring them next time. And then we have the bedroom here with the new closet. I need to clean it a little bit because I put dirty hands on it. So I'll just do that when the video is finished. So it's ready. And we have the kitchen. So I cleaned up the kitchen, made it nice again. It's a small kitchen. And we have the Nespresso coffee ready, the microwave, and I changed the thermostat here as well. It's cooling down. Awesome. Hallway. Then we have the second bathroom here with the laundry machine, and another rain shower up here. Yeah, it's a shower. And then we have another bedroom here. So in this one, I put two single duvets instead of a double duvet. Some people prefer one or the other. Yeah, and then this is ready. I had the second closet, but I didn't finish it, so I'm hiding it under the bed. Not enough time. And then we have the second living room here, which is pretty cool, I think. And a second TV. So the parents can watch TV on one TV, and then the kids can watch TV on the other TV, which is kind of cool, right? Yeah, and we have these ceilings all over the place, so that's cool. So yeah, that's basically it for the inside. So we'll look a little bit on the outside. Boop, boop, boop. Turning off the light again. So outside, we had the tiles cleaned. I didn't do that. Oh, I did all the inside work, and then I had some other people do the outside work. So I didn't do anything in the garden. So it's been cut down, which is nice. We need some fertilizer and probably a robot lawnmower and some love to make it work. We have a lot of berries over here, so that's cool. And I have a lot of electrical for the lawnmower, so there are outlets all the way around the building. So that's cool. And then we clean up the garage. So now when they arrive a little bit later, they can park that car inside. So I actually wanted to paint it white. So if it wasn't because it was rented out now, then I would have had someone paint it white next week. But we'll see if we can do that. And the garden has been cut down. Till here, so it takes quite a long time to cut it down. So, and I have the table and the chairs I brought the other day here. I still need to do something with the plastic stuff that needs to be fixed. And then we have a lot of apples, pears, and stuff. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. So see in the next video what happens next with this thing and why it was condemned the house. So I'll talk a little bit more about that. Maybe I'll do an update video and then I'll make the other videos. That was the original plan. So anyways, if you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. If you have any comments, write them below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.